Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you the face unlock test. We are going to check how fast this feature works and if it is reliable. We can also compare to the fingerprint sensor built into the display. So let's start and let's make like 5 or 10 tries. Also, as you can see, it's very fast. I think that it's even the fastest face unlock that I ever use. Even faster than in OnePlus 9 Pro. Oh, it's amazing. Honestly, guys, I'm just surprised how fast it is. Whoa, it's definitely faster than the fingerprint sensor. The sensor works really good, but the face unlock is just amazing. So yeah, definitely, guys. If you want to use this unlock method to speed up your phone, to unlock phone faster, definitely just get it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.